Nothing's more annoying than your AirPods refusing to connect when you're ready to jam out. But don't worry, we're going to fix that in 90 seconds. First, let's make sure Bluetooth is actually enabled. Open your iPhone settings app, then tap Bluetooth. Ensure the switch next to Bluetooth is green, which means it's turned on. If it's already on, toggle it off, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on. Next, check if your AirPods are actually listed under My Devices. If you see them, tap the icon next to their name. On the AirPods settings page, tap Forget this device. This will unpair your AirPods from your iPhone. Tap Forget device again to confirm. This is like giving your AirPods and iPhone a clean slate. Now, place both AirPods back into their charging case and close the lid. Wait for 30 seconds. This allows the AirPods to properly reset internally. Open the lid of the AirPods case. On the back of the case, you'll find a small setup button. Press and hold this button until the status light inside the case flashes amber, then white. This puts your AirPods into pairing mode. With the AirPods case open and near your iPhone, you should see a setup animation pop up on your iPhone screen. Tap Connect, and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Still no luck? It could be an outdated iOS version. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. And that's it. Your AirPods should now be happily connected and ready to play your favorite tunes. If you're still having problems, try restarting your iPhone. Drop a comment below if you have any further questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips.